Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to borrow money from the ENE Money app, so let's get right into it. First off, go ahead and download the ENE Money app from the App Store or Google Play Store. And then, once it's installed, register your account using your UAE mobile number, Emirates ID, email, and then create your own PIN. After you have logged in, head into the app and start exploring the financial services section. From there, you'll see options like money transfers, bill payments, and more. But what you want to look for are features like loans, quick cash, or cash advances. These are where ENE Money offers instant lending options. And then from there, just follow the on-screen steps, choose how much you want to borrow, fill in any required info, and confirm the request with your PIN. The app at this point, well, the app is designed for fast approval, so you should get access to the money pretty quickly. A few things to keep in mind: you must be a UAE resident with a valid Emirates ID, and all borrowing happens directly inside the app through their digital wallet system. And that's it. You're all set to borrow money through ENE Money. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.